Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to determine the final value of a variable after it goes through a series of programming statements. We'll explain the logic behind each operation and show you how the value changes along the way. Let's start with our first statement. We initialize the variable num with the value 15. Then we add 10 to it using num equals num plus 10, which gives us 25. Next, we divide that value by 5 using num equals 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Then, we use the increment operator num++, which increases the value by 1. So the final value of num is 6. Now for the second example. We start with num equals 5. We add 5 using num plus equals 5, so now the value is 10. Then we divide by 5 using num equals 5, which gives us 2. Next, we multiply by 10 using num equals 10, so the value becomes 20. Now, here's a tricky part. Num equals num 10, means 20 divided by 20 minus 10, which is 20 divided by 10, that gives us 2. Lastly, we add 3, so the final value of num is 5. For our last example, we're using two variables, num1 equals 5 and num2 equals 10. First, we update num1 to be num2 to 5, which gives 5. Then we multiply num1 by num2 to 5 times 10 equals 50. Next, we divide that by num2, so 50 divided by 10 gives us 5 again. Now we square num1 using num1 asterisk 2, which gives us 25. Finally, we add num1 to num2 with num2 plus equals num1, resulting in 35, but the final value being asked is for num1, which is 25. And that's how we solve each of these statements by carefully following how values change line by line. Remember, understanding how each operator works is key to getting the correct result. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.